Everything when me have in my house, me own it. And I know none of no blood clot by that. You never put me on the bum.
TikTok flakes.
Anyone out there say real or idiot? Anyone out there say real or not idiot? Because me not look for Blamdem to be real. Yeah, joke away. And me can't tell him that point, yes sir. Moon even call your phone and tell you that. Nothing about you not really believe. Yeah, the fakest individual. Not even the youth them where you play with no fake like you. Nigga, you come out here and you put on a facade. Like you real. And you stand for this. And you stand for that. But the same thing them where you say you stand for. The people them where did I do it? Them are your best blood clot friend now. The same people them where you say tap it begging, tap this, tap red. And them are your best friend now. How you mean if I want actor? Psychology you use. Psychology. You well want this long time. A long time. Between me and you the people. Now get what me and say to you. Get what me and say to you. Me never have a problem if you want it, boy. But don't come here come pretend. Say you don't want it when I eat you want long time. It sure me say you're not real. It sure me say you're not blood clot real. That's what they send me a request and they see me and say no. Because but you never see me a rank yet. You never see me play no match yet, but no official match and no rare. Because me done telling you say me no want this. Because anything when me have in my bumbo clock house, none of you sit down on TikTok and tell me say how to give me. That's why me did say that from them long time there. So pussy, me still can't say. Because nothing what me have in my house no buy that. Nothing. Everything when me have in my house, me own it. And I know none of no blood clot by that. You never put me on no bumbo clot pedestal. You not do none of that for me. Believe that. Me walk. You see me? So me don't want to hear that a pussy clot. So when I did say it years ago, me say it now again. Why me no want this? And just because anything when me want in a blood clot life, none of you can so give me that. You hear me? When me see my $10,000 check them from Google, me glad. I mean 11,000 and me 7,000. Me satisfied with me little money. That a little bit of money, me glad feed. Me glad feed. Who not go beg whole heap of money and them go in the yes, but at least me can walk with me head high. And say me couch, me TV them, my bedroom set them, everything in my house and me own that, me buy that. And TikTok never have a dollar to do with it.
After that, Blamdem pulls up on Pretti Don.
You might want the next one, you're a hypocrite too. Alright, paper. When you come over my life, I go talk. I talk right now. Because I go show you something. And me alone I go down today. I bring down, I mash up everything. Because you see one dog, one have Jamaican paper, bro. One have wicked, bro. You see me? One have bag of destruction, bro. People tap up the screen. And that me I make you know. I go show you something. I go, what are we go down today? I go show you say me a mad man. You never know say me mad. You never know say me crash out like that. Yeah, man. You never know. You never know say me crash out. Yeah, man. Tap up the screen, people. Me not play no match with a batty boy. Me not play no match with you. Me not play no match batty boy, Jaden. If you go on, you go on. Batty boy. People tap up the screen. Me want to see 5,000 people that's before me talk. Me Blamdem want to see 5,000 people before me talk. If me not see 5,000 people, yeah, so me not talk. I walk. Tap up the screen. Me not talk until me see 5,000 people.
Blamdem, me here say go over.
Listen to me, I don't want to hear no 5,000 people more want to see before me talk. Don't mute nobody. Don't block nobody. I want to see 5,000 people over my life before me talk. So pepper sauce, active, what I scream record, man them, you don't need to come forward because I'm going to mash up everything I know. Me tell that now. You not, I guess, one reason I go address this, I know. Because I don't go address it, you know. You know why I go address it? Because I see too much lie I tell, bro. Too much lie I tell. And that's one reason Why me go expose this here? Paper, we live in Florida. Florida. Wherein everybody have a matic. Everybody in Florida have a matic. Pretti Don have a matic. Everybody have a matic. Well, I know. I'm going to show you something today. Tap up his screen. I say 5,000. Jaden. You dog. Me done with you, bro. Me think you're a friend, bro. I say everything when you go on with, bro.
Yeah.
Me think you was a friend and me done with you as friend today, bro. You say, no want to say me done for the whole on, bro. Me swear, me go block you off on my phone to batty boy. You know my friend, bro. I tell them me done with you, bro. Don't call by my phone, batty boy. I mean, I avoid you, little boy. Because you say, no, you whole on want to say me done fall, bro. And little boy, you say, as long as me go block you off of my life, and I swear to God, me done with you, little boy. More you avoid me, little boy. And that me make you know. I want to me come to tell you, no. I mean, I talk and tell me see 5,000 people. I swear, me not say nothing. I want to see 5,000 people yesterday before me talk. Oh, and little boy, me done with you as long as me live. As long as me live, me not deal back with you, bro. As long as God put me on me hurt, me done with the little batty boy. Me go black you off on my phone, little batty boy. Avoid me, little boy. Don't call by my phone, batty boy. And big up Rosalie. You see me? Big up Rosalie. They come and tell me, say, Blamdem go address the situation. And all of my friends, we are come tell me if address the situation. Big up on yourself because me now make this go further, youth. Wanna share it live on top of the screen. Alright, I'm going to show you something today. I'm going to share me whole on the bomb buckler. I'm going to share you. I'm going to share you like right now. Me not talk until me see 5,000 people. Top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live, people. Top of the screen and share it live. 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 I want to see 5,000 people here so before me talk. And you look about the boy, Jaden. Don't deal me back as long as they live. Hey, that little boy.
Give me your friend, bro.
Don't, because now I'm tell me that batty boy. Me ain't no friend. You're a batty boy. You want to look instigator. And you're wicked. And you want to look liar. And you're a crook. I mean, I want to send me no request as long as they live. Don't call me phone, batty boy. Avoid me like suck catches, boy. And that's me make you know. I mean, don't deal me as long as they live. Batty boy. Avoid me. You know where you do, batty boy. You think you can bring me down? Hey, batty boy. Yes, I look crosses and mama man, batty boy. And I'm in the pan laughing thing with a batty boy. And my life in a danger because I wanna. Because they expose my picture. I'm done. Alright. We gonna show you something. Alright, hold on. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me not argue with them like a batty boy. Just want to see 5. Paper top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live, people. Top of it, want to see 5,000 people that's before me talk. Alright.
What them do? How them do you?
A little batty boy, I don't want to argument with me. And your views, me there contact right now. You can't go on for now. Because when we get the 5,000 views, they're going to remove your batty boy. And your views more come up on my live. I mean, go snap out your mother batty boy. And don't. Tell me on the start screen record. Tell me on the start screen record. Pepper sauce, you there? Pepper sauce. You there, pepper sauce? Alright, 5K, pepper sauce there. Paper, let me tell you this here. Me and Pretti Don a friend. Pretti Don a my friend. Me and Pretti Don, me know where Pretti Don live. Pretti Don a my dog. Me and Pretti Don now nothing. I lie my tell for me. You see me paper? And me and him a pranky people. I prank me the pranky people. And me know say my link with squash them. And Royal Dog them. And that's here my post Royal Dog, Bumbleclad. Call him and they check on him. And them a try cancel me paper. You see me? A prank paper. Look in that video. Me gonna play a video right now. Which by another video you Blamdem have a fire, have a matic? Which Pretti Don lad, bro? He might try cancel me, bro. He might spice them and the whole of them. And they try tell lie upon Nicky Minaj paper. Alright, paper. If you no can't watch the video, me have one phone in my hand. You see me paper? Me Blamdem have a phone in my hand. All the hell me dey on phone with Nicky Minaj. I record me, they record him. Paper, tell me now. Florida is a firearm state. Everybody legal if you have a matic. If you go on somebody property, bro, without them consent, them can bust they can lick a shot in your blood clot and not come out tight. So if I name prank with me and Pretti Don, I not do me nothing. Eh? You not cancel me dirty Pretti Don. You can't cancel me. You look a thinking girl. Me never paper in my blood clot roll like a friend and then plan for me. And he tell me, say, come we pranky people them. And when he come for pranky people them, he come back and tell like, and yeah, more time that Pretti Don. Me done with you. Me think you are my friend, little dirty girl. And me find out say I know my friend, Junker. Dog shit. Eh? Look at paper. See my clip. See my clip up on my end. When me grow in a yard. So when me grow in a yard, yeah. I see phone we see in my hand. A video, bro, for prank. You see me? Video. See it, yeah? I made this see a video in a paper. Look here. Video me anima video. You see me paper. I me a video. So I'm tell her about me the phone with Nicki Minaj, eh? Tough call you man name paper. Let me tell her what cause the problem. Bro, paper. Oh, all along when me I get trouble on TikTok and on internet, nobody name want cancel me. Boys, Nicki Minaj start give me and things start going for me. Me come out #1 yesterday. Me a company US. Everybody get bad mind. You all of them a get bad mind paper. A bad mind, you all of them get bad mind paper and I try cancel me paper and they call you man name. I tell her a lie pan the woman. I lie them I tell pan the woman paper. Oh the hell me the pan phone with the woman. Are you the pan the phone with the woman Pretti Don? Are you and Nicki Minaj Japan phone? Dirty girl Pretti Don. Nasty thinking crutches Pretti Don. Where they said it, look at, hear him. Look where vlog of them when give you post I say. It's alleged the person on the monitor is Blamdem at Pretti Don residence while on the phone with Nicki Minaj. Or the hell me the pan phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video yaso. A video me the video yaso in a paper. Or me the pan phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video. Or the hell me got the pan phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video. Eh? See the video me a video you know. Cause me a video cause I prank we a prank. Look your paper. Look on a video you know. When say I me the pan phone with Nicki Minaj. Look, you see phone me having in my hand. When I realize the pan the video when me just show a while ago, if phone done in high ground. Eh? Which pan that video don't see me dramatic? You don't see me dramatic pan the video. I lie I tell. Eh? I lie blood clot crosses I tell. The take no blood clot, but near out to no mama. I mean I can't address back. No. Go on a station, Pretti Don, you know my name. All police are gonna lock me up. Eh? You two blood clot like junker. All police are gonna lock me up. Ain't dog shit. All police are gonna lock me up. Eh? In America this the police are gonna lock me up already. This morning me I got blood clot go eat something. You have to blood clot lie, dirty girl. Cause near more time mother Pretti Don. You want to look a liar stinking bitch. You have to bumbo clot and me done with you, bro. Cause me can't believe say you tell me say I'm real like a friend and you're real like a friend. Ask anybody at Florida. Real like pull gun pan Pretti Don a party. Ask anybody at Florida. Who live at Florida did it when real like pull gun pan Pretti Don? Eh? Who comment and tell me. Who remember when real dog pull gun pan Pretti Don? Who remember? Eh? Who remember when real dog pull gun pan Pretti Don? Who remember that? Alright, see people and send me there. So how you not gonna report that to police? Eh? How you not report popcorn to police? Eh? I cancel the girl want cancel my paper. So now if you listen to me, you not gonna listen to either me or Pretti Don. Which one you gonna listen to? Eh? Pretti Don have a matic. Pretti Don have a gun. Pretti Don is American green card residence holder. Pretti Don have a gun. So if me go up on Pretti Don property without film consent, he could have shot me. Because he a prank. And he might come cancel me, bro, because I'm a real lad, my friend. And then take me for you that I mean know. Hey, girl, move your blood clot from you so you can't trick me. Thinking, girl, and thinking real lad them. Move your blood clot from you so I'm going to name out your mother. Me done with you. As long as you leave no call on my phone, I go block you off on my phone. Me, I go block you off on my phone, Pretti Don. Me, Blamdem, I go block you off on my phone. Go name out your mother. You look a liar, drunk, you. You think you can't cancel me dog shit. I tell her a lie on the woman. Paper. You see woman I can't tell her about me the pan phone with Nicki Minaj when me go there. But it's as alleged that Blamdem on phone with Nicki Minaj. Junker, tell the people them say, yeah, the woman the pan phone. Yeah, and the woman the pan phone and the whole we a friend. I'm where they may go keep federal for Shibada. And you come and come set me up. Me done with you, bro. Cause you can't cancel me off the internet. Cause me no want to on internet. Me come here for fun. Me not take the internet that serious. If me don't take the internet serious, me would show me face. Eh? How the hell me go up on internet? Me can't really take this either TikTok is serious. For sure me not even take TikTok serious. Me not even show myself. For sure how me not take TikTok serious. I don't care about TikTok, bro. TikTok is not that serious for me there. I go on nobody's yard. I give you my freedom for the platform. If you look at hype. All the hell me go, first thing, all me they go somewhere on the video. Me can't go up and works on the video. Me can't go up and works and now wear mask. Me can't go up and, first thing, all the hell me go up and works to do mission and have a mask. Uno to bumbuckler duns. Anybody that build Pretti Don, we believe Pretti Don to bumbuckler duns. All the hell me go up and work. Pretti Don set up this to expose my picture, bro. Uno not to resist that dog, uno eat that pan ya, bro. I cry me all day, I cry to dog. Uno eat that pan ya, bro. Uno to bumbuckler duns. All the hell me go up on mission and I wear mask. All the hell me go up on mission to do man things and have a mask. Uno to bumbuckler duns and fool. Uno to duns. All big thinking pink wall. More report pink wall. Pink wall, I must say a fuck Pretti Don. Where you gonna tell her me for? Bomba, me get a violation paper. Or me go up and works and now wear mask. Paper. Real Dawg and Pretti Don set up this to expose my picture. You see me can't tell me say if we run a prank, if you get a comeback. Watch a paper. Look here, me and him planning paper. Listen to the voice note here. Me go sure say me and him planning. Listen to the voice note here, paper.
You help me make 3 grand by a month for done. This a month.
Me go expose everything.
Me no know.
Listen to the voice note there.
Me no know, dog. You look how long you say I go send some sitting to your dress and array. Fool, you take me for another.
Oh, you think me a chopper? Me take me a chopper.
Ask me no.
Listen to that.
Me
expose
make
everything.
3 grand by
What are we a good on? What are we a good on?
What kind of trouble me?
What are we a good on? All are we a good on, John?
You see me I say?
What are we a good on?
We get that car.
All are we a good on?
Yeah, just
what are we a good on?
Yeah.
And if you like black, me not care.
Yeah, dog. What you say?
Paper me go restart, cause me live out black.
You see right now, me not go back and forth with nobody on social media. Everybody were involved, no. The person who me did up on the phone with, all of that. Everybody who did that try cover it up. Obviously, me up on the road and look somewhere if you live right now. Me not have no time to go back and forth on social media with nobody. Everybody who were involved know what was done to me. I am not in any prank with any of you. And all of them voice note the way I play from February the 3rd. I don't care about none of them. What me want you to do, I do this to me. Go Allendale police station. Go and tell them that you are Ricardo, whatever the fuck you name, sir. I make we deal with this here amicably like people. Me not do no back and forth on a social media because the day when you come on my yard in a mask with gun and the other man them back at you and threaten me and tell me not to call your name on social media again or whatever you gonna do to me, none of that was a prank. I was never a part of that. I never did here one time. You and nobody did a plan that because there is no way more than plan for nobody come blood clot traumatize my life. So what you can do for me today, like on me a drive around and look somewhere for fucking live, you can go turn yourself into Allendale police station so we can deal with this the right way. Me no want to go live, me no want to do none of that, me no want to talk about your February 3 voice note them, me no want to talk about none of that. Clearly them voice note there from when you ask me if you can help you with Shibada, Shalom, Shay and the whole of them. I don't want to go through all of that.